let me make myself some eggs and oatmeal because, like, you know, I'm feeling some type of way, and also maybe like go live with you guys and tell you about, you know, tonight and not to forget. However, what's this person doing on my couch?
What's up? Oh! Yo, you should see the filter right now. Yo, this filter. Yo. Oh, yo.
No, but you need to face.
Then please remove the filter.
No, you need to face.
Jesus! While I be like bicycle. Oh, you have to face the line. Let's see.
No, wait, I need to explain myself. Mama. Look at you with eyebrows. You look so cute. You make such a pretty girl. Patch your eyebrows. Patch your eyebrows.
You get my lips bigger. Oh, when you take reach South Africa more, the thing shocked me.
Wait. The reason why I have a filter on, right, is because.
How do you know I'm in South Africa? Maybe Yaya is in America. In shock, or she's in Nigeria again.
No, but guys, the reason why there's a filter on, right? Oh yes, I wasn't craving eggs and oatmeal, obviously. Why am I eating eggs and oatmeal?
Eggs and oatmeal. Yaya made me this breakfast. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, this is TikTok. So Yaya made me this breakfast, right?
Hey guys.
Eggs and so I have oatmeal, I have eggs, I have bacon. Yo, she went all out.
I did.
As usual. So, and it's early in the morning. Yo, Yaya's been awake.
Doing what he does best.
So,
I have not slept, by the way.
Yeah.
I have not slept in 24. Hey! Hi! I have not slept in 24 hours.
Where are you guys? Okay, so
We're somewhere in
I got here around like 3 a.m. Like 3 a.m.
Yeah, we're in South Africa.
She came to the airport to come pick me up.
Yeah.
Alright, and she's been up since morning, and now the time is
the filter.
Almost 10 a.m. in the morning.
And you see, on Snapchat, I look like I have not slept because the filter is not. There's no filter.
She said, someone said, when I saw the eggs, Marvin come to mind, and then boom. He knows Marvin. Yo, you already know. Come on now. You already know. With the eggs. What's up, guys?
You want ketchup?
You
want ketchup?
Oh, this is good enough. Yo. Okay, guys. So guess where are we right now? Are we in South Africa? Are we in Nigeria? Are we?
After you said I picked you up from the airport for me.
Oh. Yo, this is crazy. Are we coming to the party? Hey, you guys gotta keep up. Like, just keep watching.
People that I went to pick him up at the airport is like, guess where I am?
Whoa.
Oh God, you're killing me.
Yeah, I need to go to bed.
I need to sleep. I haven't slept.
I
have not slept.
I have Yaya's phone and Yaya has my phone.
Yes,
so
I have Marvin's phone.
Yaya is on my TikTok and I'm on her Instagram. We swap phones. So she's live on my TikTok and I'm live on her Instagram. Take over. This Yaya take over. I'm taking over everything from Yaya right now. Flamingo, I'm your new king.
Remember you said that the last time on that video.
That's it. So they know.
Guys, I'm
The egg master.
Hi to all the marbles. Hi guys. How
Yeah, she's really gorgeous, huh?
eating?
Oh yeah, they said essay. Oh, you guys are good guess. Yeah, I arrived to essay. I mean, I'm back home to South Africa.
You call it, well, I mean, Nigeria is my home.
See, take over. We're just switching everything. She takes my phone, I take her phone. She takes Nigeria, I take South Africa. Yo, energy.
Energy.
We move
on it.
We move heavy. Yo.
I'm so tired though.
Yeah, so
I'm so.
yeah, hasn't got any sleep. Yeah, you need to go to bed.
In 24 4 hours. I keep falling asleep next to Marvin on the couch. Because he slept for 16 hours, right?
I like the 16 hours.
Waking up and kept sleeping. Me, on the other hand, I was sitting up waiting for him to arrive, right? I left the house at 2 a.m.
Welcome back home. Thank you.
To go to the airport to pick this one up. Only for him not to want to sleep. Like,
hey, okay, so you guys, I can't say much, but on Sunday, okay, tune in. Look forward to something. Something is coming on Sunday, okay? Just look forward.
Isn't that supposed to be a surprise?
Huh?
Isn't that supposed to be a surprise?
Yeah, because they said something. So, you already know. You already know, just for the live.
Okay. Alright. Guys, Marvin is having the time of his life on my life. Like, your takeover is heavy. I don't even know what to say to your people, honestly. How do you engage with your people?
We just say slangs. We just is Marvin the essay? No.
Yes.
No, Yaya is in Nigeria. Yaya loves Nigeria so much she came back to Nigeria. Right now she's in Nigeria. I picked her up from the airport. I'm just kidding. I'm in SA.
Like,
yes, I'm in SA.
He's in South Africa.
I'm in South Africa.
Yeah.
In Joburg. Yes. We are back. We are back, and I'm not leaving anymore. I'm staying here. 100%.
I'm gonna hide his passport.
So guys, I'm on Yaya's Instagram, and she's on my TikTok. Yeah. We just took over. Is a social media?
Oh, I can't. I can't.
All right, guys. So, how long have we stayed?
You get this jersey at small street. You get it at Maraba of the jerseys that you see, Pabo, Sia, Polisi, or even and all that. The original. So, this jersey, it means we want to see you there. We want to see you there wearing this number 8 as Sia Kanaga. Yes. So, no, this is balance Sunday. I just get it. So, this is the official Springbok jersey. Springbok is South African national team for rugby. This is the original. So you must work hard. One to wear this, and then this one. Let me give you this one. We love you.
Man.
Yeah.
That's your jersey soon,
That's
eh?
your jersey.
Oh God is gonna happen.
What happened? Big bags. That is the siren. You know what? This jersey is not enough. Because we are building a future Springbok here. This is our Springbok. We are sure that we want to see you on the field. Then we decided to give you this.
Come on.
We don't want you to say, I did not go to the field because I don't have rugby coats. Then we said, this is, together with this one, all our players, our tears, and
My favorite brand.
So we said, and then, because we want you to practice, we know that you've got a knee injury. We want you to practice at home. Then we bought this official Rugby World Cup France 2023 Rugby Coat. It's you. That's and then, lastly but not least, there's more. So, you know your product again. It's this one, autograph. Yes, 1995 autograph. So, take over that. It's an original. Original. I 95.
This is crazy.
Then I get you see me. Sugar, one of your friends. But I get you love. Camera because we know what where we turn in the corner. That's it. Been in the house for 18 years. So we're waiting for you to do the picture. Yeah. So we're starting. We're building another. Juicy juice. You please. This is fire. Oh, what a man. Fire. What a legend. Hey, talk to me. Fire. Isn't it? On the side. Yay! This is your life. This is your life. Embrace it. Embrace it. Yeah.
Oh.
What a man. What a man.
It's so heavy.
Yes.
Bro, like, this is so special. I don't have the words to describe this feeling and this. No chicken food, something. This. I can't believe I'm the one holding this.
Believe it.
This is such, it's beyond this story. This means this means the whole of South African history. It's a huge part of South African history that can never be taken away, never be taken away. And the very first one, our president, Nelson Mandela, was here on this day. The first black president of South Africa. In this moment, the country was unified. In this moment, Africa was unified. Man, this is amazing. And I'm voting this. I don't know why I deserve this, but I thank God.
It's crazy.
For this, because it's only been here.
Crazy.
It's only been God and
favor.
And wow. And then there's this.
Hey,
I want to see food to rock.
hey, come on.
This is mad. Like it didn't feel the material. Okay.
Yeah, but those I got yeah. Otherwise we'll never go. This is so